Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review. This is a video I wasn't really intending to do right now, but it's my son's birthday today, and I got 6 beautiful ribeyes here. So I was kind of wondering, is it possible to sear a steak onto the barbecue dragon grill stone? Well, right now I got the kettle right now coming up the temperature, and so what I'm going to do is once that comes up the temperature, I'm going to put these on. I'm going to reverse sear these steaks. And since the barbecue dragon grill stone is so big and this here is kind of like broken in, I'm going to see if I can actually sear a steak, get it hot enough inside there once they come up the temperature, and I can go ahead and sear them. Right now, all I have on there is some grapeseed oil and some Himalayan sea salt. So that's all I got on the steaks right now. Right now, the temperature's only about 75 degrees inside there. So, but I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so just so you know, this is not an intended video I was going to make at this point in time. However, you know, sometimes as a YouTuber, you just get that feeling, hey, I should be recording this. So that's why I'm doing this. This video may never go up. You may never see this video. I might do it some other time when conditions are maybe a little bit better. But for some reason, I had a feeling I should do this video. Hopefully, my feelings are right on track. Probably I'm losing my voice, but don't worry, my voice will be good. Okay, all the steaks are done. I'm going to get these probes out of here. They're all right about 100 degrees inside, internal. I'm gonna go ahead, remove all this, and I'm going to put them onto the cutting board over there. I forgot my tongs inside. I probably should have planed this out a little bit better, but I didn't. Scrape all this stuff off. Gotta get it nice and hot in there. Since this is seasoned pretty good, I think it's going to work pretty good. I'm going to put some oil down and I'm going to give it a try. So this is probably the one video I've not prepared for one single bit. So this is kind of raw. Going to dry these off. Now I'm hoping when I put these on the grill, I'm going to hear that nice sizzle that's synonymous with searing a steak. Okay, so after you dry the steaks off real good, go ahead and put some cracked black pepper on them. You're going to flip them over and dry the other side. I kind of had a little bit of difficulties here because this was last minute and I had no time to really prepare. This is kind of a spur of the moment type of thing. After I cooked these steaks, I did not actually cut into these steaks, but they came out really, really good. They were all basically rare to medium rare. So let's get back to the video. All right, there's a good shot. Let's get this some cold, nice and hot up underneath there. Get that grill stone steaming, piping hot. All right, now it's time to see how hot I got the surface of this. 637, 632, 634. So we're into 600. This hopefully is going to work out real good. Here we go. Should have a sizzle on there. Now that one's without oil. Let's try this one here. This is grapeseed oil right here. This is grape oil. High smoke point, so we should do pretty good. There we go. Oh, hear that sizzle? Barbecue dragon grill stone, y'all. I'm gonna let it sit there for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna flip it. All right, y'all, 2 minutes has passed. Let's see what kind of sear we got on these. Remember, it's 637 degrees. Oh, oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I don't know about y'all, but it looks like you can sear a steak on the barbecue dragon grill stone. It's a little bit cooler over here because I don't have hardly any coals over here. But right here, we're at 600 some degrees, and just right around this area right here, it's really hot. And look at that sear. That's beautiful. So can you sear a steak on a barbecue dragon grill stone? Absolutely. All right, y'all. Looks like we have success. We got not everybody likes theirs rare like I like mine. Okay. Spend 2 minutes on this side. This right here is done. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. On the barbecue dragon grill stone. Look at that steak. Beautiful. That one's going to sit over there and rest. Move this one over here. Oh my goodness. This is exciting. This is so exciting. 123. This one's done. That one's done. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Bam. These are phenomenal. That one's done. Oh, that's way done right there. That's about medium well right there. That's okay. Not everybody likes theirs rare like I like mine. There we go, we're done. All right, like I said, I had something else completely planned to do today. Something told me, do this video. Dang, I'm glad I did. Look, all I did is I put some grapeseed oil, some salt, that's all I did. I got this grill stone kind of hot, brought that temperature up of those steaks, kind of slow. And then I put some more coals up underneath there, stoked it real good, got about 600 and something degrees. You see it, 634, 650, 617. That's freaking hot. That's a great sear. 2 minutes each side, and they're all gonna be probably between medium rare, and I think I got one that's gonna be probably about a medium well. But that's okay, you know, not everybody likes it. I got a bunch of grease all over my glasses from splatter. But look, this was a success. Can you sear without grill marks on a barbecue dragon grill stone? Answer, absolutely, confirmed. I did one without putting no oil on it, and I put one with some oil on it. It seemed like if you're gonna do this, make sure you put some oil down. It seems to sear a lot better with if you put some oil on it. But anyhow, I'm so excited about this, y'all. So anyhow, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week. Ciao. Oh, there, now I can see. All right, y'all, so it's almost getting dark, but I forgot. And all that excitement, I forgot to tell y'all. I started off with about, I would say probably 15, 20 coals in the bottom of there. I'll let it get up kind of hot. And then right before I seared them, I actually got about 3/4 of a chimney, poured it in there. I put on my gloves, put it underneath the grill stone. So it's about 3/4 of a chimney of coals I put underneath the grill stone. But look, y'all, success. I'm still excited about that. That is so cool. So you can use a barbecue giant grill stone to sear steaks. That's cool.